Eye tracking is one of the most loved iOS 18 features. What makes it so impressive is the ability to let you control your iPhone using just your voice. If this brand new feature has managed to charm you, chances are you'd be super glad to know that you can now activate the eye tracking feature on your iPhone by using the accessibility shortcut. So if you're willing to unlock this handy shortcut, let's get started. So first up, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. Then you have to choose Accessibility, and after that you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Accessibility shortcut. Then select Eye Tracking. With this handy shortcut now ready, you can quickly activate the eye tracking feature by just triple clicking the side button aka the power button of your iPhone. It's worth pointing out that if you have selected more than one feature, triple clicking the side button will first bring up the accessibility shortcut menu. After that, you'll have to choose the eye tracking for activation. So make sure to keep this important thing in your mind, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily enable the eye tracking feature using accessibility shortcut on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye bye.